Hi guys, it's SlimeSlayer here, and this is going to be my first ever video on Minecraft. Hope you enjoy. And today I'm going to be playing with my friends from school, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So I've already played in this server for a little while, and it is pretty cool. Because I like survival, and it is survival without any cheats. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna go mining first. And someone very kindly has made my house here. I haven't seen. Oh wow, it's cool. There's a pickaxe, and I think that's all I need. Oh, might as well take a stone sword. Okay, what? Oh, some torches. And these guys are probably going to follow me. Yep. Okay. Food? Lol. If you've got any food. Sorry. I only have 4 torches. I could do. I could do some more. I'm also going to be doing some other videos on like Terraria and Crazy Craft and a few other things, I think, or maybe it's just those. I don't know. So first of all, I'm going to sort of try to find a cave system, and I really want to kill Carter kids. They're very annoying. Stop hitting me! Stop! I can't spell. Stop it! Okay. I could do it with an iron sword and food actually. Okay. I just checking to see if I was recording, and so good. I sort of need some more torches. Bit of a problem. Just gonna head back up. My awesome cave. Did I do this? Cave system. Back up here. Oh, and it's raining. Great. Okay, quickly. Jump over. No, quick. Get my secret way in route. No. Phew. Where'd I get redstone from? Can I put redstone in furnaces? Yeah. Blood. My blood. Gonna make some more furnaces. Why not? Get off. There we go. Anything else in my chest? I could make some more torches actually. My secret. Wait. Scary. Okay, quick. Oh no, I need to smelt it. Who put out 3 crafting tables? I never saw that before. I'll save you. You probably killed him actually. Lol. Well, this guy's. What happened? Oh, coal. Something blew up here. Only 1 bit. I think I'm gonna mend this. By the way, guys, this isn't actually my server. It's my friend's server. And yeah, if you like these videos, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I think I'm gonna see if anything's smelted. This video might not make any sense because this is my first one, but I hope it does. Small wood. It's not a craft. I think I'm going to be making another video today on crazy craft. Yeah. I need a new pickaxe as well. Oh my gosh, why does he never stay on? He did say that his laptop is very laggy, but yeah, man. Okay, this is the best way to get your hunger back up. Shove everything in there. Drown. Blob. Blob. Blob, blob, blob. Oh yeah, and I also have a creeper skin because my real name on here is Base Creeper. Grab everything from here. Oh no. There you go. So I'm scared at night time. Why does everyone keep killing each other? Ah, creeper! Oh, scared me. Just go in. What? Okay. I really could do the cave system, because then I probably or I could do some coal. Lots of coal. I've been playing with server for ages, and like I've had loads and loads of really good things when I died. I'm recording, Daddy. My mic's come off. Okay. Ugh. I think it's ended. Dig, dig, dig. More gold. Everyone keeps dying. Yeah. I'm sort of just collecting stone actually. Oh, iron. They're still following me. Good. Safe. I think this means I can make like I can make iron boots and iron sword. Maybe with an iron chest plate. 8 pieces and more. No.